My name is Alejandro Sagasti. I work at SafeJack. I'm a welder. What my family means to me is more than family. It's support, friendship, and just building on what we have already. My family is basically family and friends for me, as a lot of my family isn't family itself, but it's someone you get connected with and consider them like a brother or like a niece or a nephew or something like that kind of family. My family can be very handy. Like my dad was construction. My twin brother watched my dad work on his cars, and my little brother did the same thing. My brothers, they both do something similar. My twin brother, he's a mechanic, diesel mechanic, and my younger brother, he's an electrician. Am I close to my brothers? I can say yeah. We know each other well enough. We pick up on each other, and we push our boundaries, but we try to stay away from certain areas, whatever personalities. We like to help each other out more than anything else. And if one of us calls the other, we just go. When me and my brothers get together, we basically do simple stuff. They come here every weekend. We eat, drink, have a good time, make fun of each other, of course, and wrestle around a little bit. The adopted brothers, we got him around high school time, and he's been here with the family. Now he has a son, and we're just watching him out for him and help him out as much as we can. Before going to SafeJack, I was planning on going to the military. I didn't make it to that point. My grandpa got sick, and I pretty much stayed after that. For about 2 years, we spent most of the days with him. I helped take care of him. I helped him doing things around the house or doing what he needed from me. The best thing really is just hanging out, getting a little more comfortable with him is the best memory, really. So my puppy, her name's gonna be Betty. My girlfriend's actually gonna bring hers today. I'm just waiting till the 5th to get mine, and I can't wait to get her. Things I learned from SafeJack is focus. Also, hard work does pay off, really. The best part about my job, honestly, the relationship that we have with our coworkers. They're basically like family to me. They look out for you, and you look up for them.